You may have heard the term strategy map, and maybe you've even looked at some videos and articles about what that is. It can seem pretty complicated because this is a sophisticated management tool, so the purpose of this video is to cut through all that to offer a plain English overview. What is this tool and how does it improve performance? In simplest terms, a strategy map clarifies, in one picture, everything your organization needs to achieve its goals. This way you'll know exactly where to invest your time and money, and where not to. Plus, it works in any organization, for-profit, non-profit, or public sector, so a church or a school or government agency can use it the same way as a business. Another benefit, putting everything that matters on one page creates an exceptional communication tool. Anyone who looks at your map can easily understand your goals, what's necessary to achieve them, and how everything fits together, all visually represented on one page. It couldn't be clearer or more efficient. Let me explain how this works through a concrete example. A simple organization like a bowling alley. And let's say this bowling alley has two primary goals right now: to increase revenues and to reduce costs, allowing it to stay in business. What they think can set them apart is making it a super fun place for kids and parties, and at a much lower price compared to other forms of kids' entertainment in the area. That's their value proposition. Can they deliver on this promise? They think so if they do three things: keep making their environment more and more kid-friendly, promote themselves through free social media advertising, and put a system in place to continuously reduce expenses, to keep prices low. Now notice something. If they excel at these three processes, they can deliver the product they promised and ultimately strengthen their bottom line. So to make it all happen, they'll need the right people, say one part-time person for each function, and a full-time manager overseeing it all. Their strategy map looks like this. If they have great people in these jobs, then they can excel at these processes which allow them to deliver this product which enables them to remain profitable. The map reminds them what to do and, importantly, what not to do. And if it's not on the map, then we invest no time or money in it. Here's a nonprofit example, and as you'll see, the money is at the bottom of the map rather than at the top. Let's say a small church has two goals right now: educating their people to know the Bible and encouraging them to serve the poor. What processes are required to achieve these goals? Perhaps it's Bible-focused preaching on Sundays, group Bible studies on Wednesday nights, and service trips into the city every Saturday morning. And to pull that off well, they'll need a team of people, some of them paid, to lead each of those three aspects of their ministry. Facilitating it all, they'll need enough money coming in to pay for the employees and the service trips and all the other expenses. You see, the nonprofit strategy map shows how to get from the money to the mission. And again, if an activity is not on the map, it's not part of what they do. Although this church could be doing 100 other good things, it's focused on only two, so they can pursue these goals with faithful excellence. Okay, that's the basic idea, and here's one bonus tip. If you add to your map a way of tracking success of everything on it, you'll be even further along toward achieving your goals.